Hey, how are you? Hope you're fine. Help me teach me French. Hey, how are you? Can you teach me Japanese language? Salut, comment ça va? J'espère que tu vas bien. Oh, aide-moi à m'apprendre le français. Salut, comment ça va? Peux-tu m'apprendre le japonais? Oh my god. It sounds like me. Alright guys, CapCut has a feature called Video Translator. Are we together? And it's supposed to translate your video to any language you wanna. Let it be French, Japanese, any language of your choice. And it's supposed to sound like you. Let's test it out. I'll show you how they do this video translation. First thing first, you're gonna film yourself when you are uttering some words in English so that they translate it for you in any language you want. Are we together? Now let's import this clip to CapCut. Let's go. You open CapCut, you go to new project, select a clip, then you click on add like so. So this is our video we're gonna work on. Then you scroll until you find video translator. Right here, click on it. Then you go to language, you select any language you wanna. Let me select French, you click on it right here. Then you go to apply. We give it time to generate. Just a minute. Boom. Your video has been translated. We're gonna get something like Salut, comment ça va? J'espère que tu vas bien. Oh, aide-moi à m'apprendre le français. Salut, comment ça va? Peux-tu m'apprendre le japonais? So that is CapCut Video Translator can make you speak Japanese and French and you sound like you. In the comment section. Alright. Hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.